Daddy. My name is Sky Chawla. My favorite bird is flamingo because they are so pink and I like the color pink. My favorite bird is also peacock because I like the way it's so shimmery and so shiny. Thank you. Bye bye.